Students, in the last video we studied about the electrode potential and cell potential and their calculations. Now we study thermodynamics of galvanic cell. We know that the galvanic cell, that is a cell at which chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy and gives energy of the cell reaction and its cell potential. So here we know that the electrical work is a amount of charge passed into the cell potential. So electrical work is amount of that charge multiplied by cell potential. Cell potential, that is EMF of the cell, and the charge pass is equal to the numbers of moles of electrons in a Faradays and coulombs. So charge pass is equal to N into F. So students, here first electrical work is equal to amount of charge pass multiplied by cell potential. Now this charge pass, that is 1 mole of electron, is a Faradays in coulomb. Okay, 96500 coulomb. For the cell reaction involving n numbers of moles, म्हणजे कुठलीही सेल असेल तर त्यामध्ये n numbers of moles, आपण एक्झॅक्टली सांगू शकत नाही 2, 4 वगैरे, तर इथे अज्यूम करू आपण की n numbers of moles electrons they are involved. ठीक आहे. So the charge passed is equal to n into f in coulombs. Okay, f means a Faradays, n is a numbers of moles. So now putting this value in this equation, that cell potential, it is represented by E of the cell. So we get electrical work is equal to N into F into E of cell, means EMF of the cell. That is electrical work is equal to numbers of moles of electron into Faradays into EMF of the cell. This is first equation. Now Gibbs in 1878 concluded that electrical work done in a galvanic cell is equal to the decrease in Gibbs energy, that is minus del G. Now students, it is mentioned in a thermodynamics that is for the spontaneous reaction del G is always negative. Okay, so minus G is equal to the electrical work. Now electrical work is nothing but a NF EMF of the cell, and therefore here minus del G is equal to NF EMF of the cell. Let it be the equation number 5.27. Now here del G is equal to, in a standard state, del G0 is equal to minus NF EMF, standard EMF of the cell. Okay. Now here del G, it is an extensive property since its value depends on the amount of substance. If the stoichiometric equation of the redox reaction is multiplied by 2, 3 or whatever the numbers, the substance oxidized or reduced are double, triple and so on. Okay. So here the ratio of del G to the NF is nothing but the EMF of the cell. So here EMF of the cell is now minus del G upon NF. If it is multiplied by 2 on both sides, on numerator and denominator, so we get here del E is of the cell is equal to minus 2 del G upon twice NF, which is nothing but a minus 2 to cancel, minus del G upon NF. It means that del EMF of the cell, standard EMF of the cell, remains same by multiplying the redox reaction by 2 or by any. So it is independent on the amounts. So it is which is independent on amount, it is called as a intensive property. So here del E means EMF of the cell is an intensive property, but Gibbs energy, it is an extensive property. Now we focused on the relation between the cell potential and equilibrium constant. Now here del G is equal to, we have del G is equal to minus NF del E0 cell, EMF of the cell, means here del G is equal to minus N F and EMF, standard EMF of the cell. But here this relation means thermodynamic relation of standard Gibbs energy is minus del G is equal to minus RT ln m log to the base E K. K is a constant, or that is the concentration of product upon reactant. It may be taken as this in this way. So here del G0 is equal to minus RT log to the base E K. But in the first equation del G0 is equal to minus NF standard EMF of the cell. So by balancing these two equations, we have here minus NFE0 cell is equal to minus RT ln K. So by reshuffling this equation, so we get EMF of the cell is equal to minus minus cancel and RT upon NF ln of K. So this log to the base E, it is converted into log to the base 10 by converting factor 2.303. So here finally we get EMF of the cell, standard EMF of the cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 of K. Now here by putting the R is equal to 8.314, temperature at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin, and Faraday's, that is 96500, here RT upon F, value of RT upon F, it is nothing but the 0.0 and 2 multiplied by 2.303. 2.303 RT upon F, it is a 0.0592. So putting this value in this equation, we get EMF of the standard EMF of the cell is equal to 0.0592 upon n, that is the numbers of moles of electron, log to the base 10 K. So on this we solve some problem. Here consider the solved problem. Here calculate standard Gibbs energy change means del G and equilibrium constant means K at 25 degrees Celsius for the cell reaction, cadmium plus Sn dipositive giving you cadmium dipositive plus Sn. Given is that standard electrode potential of copper is given and standard electrode potential of Sn which is given. Okay, so the cell is CD in contact with CD dipositive, Sn in contact with Sn dipositive, and CD dipositive and Sn dipositive, they are separated by salt bridge. Okay, so here first del G is equal to minus NFE0. Now EMF of the cell is equal to here standard reduction potential of Sn minus standard reduction potential of Cu. Here anode minus cathode minus anode. So here Sn which is given as minus 0.136 volt minus of minus cadmium, that is minus 0.403 volt, which on calculation gives EMF of the standard EMF of the cell, that is 0.267. Okay, now in the cell reaction, if the cell reaction is just like this, here two electrodes means CD dipositive, CD giving you CD dipositive and Sn dipositive giving you Sn, means there are the numbers of electrons are 2. Here for example consider here CD giving you CD dipositive. How many electrons? There are 2 electrons. Okay, now in next one Sn dipositive, means this is reaction at anode and this is reaction at cathode, plus 2 electron giving you Sn. So in a complete cell reaction these 2 electrons are involved. Okay, so the numbers of electrons n is equal to 2 moles of electron. Now del G is equal to, here del G is equal to minus NEF or minus NF EMF of the cell. So by putting this value we get del G is equal to minus 51.53 kilojoule. Now EMF of the cell is equal to 0.0592 volt divided by numbers of moles log to the base 10 in K. That K is a constant or dissociation constant. So now here K, log K, we have to calculate the log K by putting this value. Log K is given by 9.0203. By taking antilog of this, we get 1.05 into 10 to the power 9. So in this way, we have to calculate equilibrium constant, that is K, and Gibbs energy. So students, on the basis of this problem and this video, we have to solve some problems.